Ankara. November 10. Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan entered a burgeoning judicial crisis on Friday when he called for a new constitution to resolve an unprecedented conflict between the country's two top courts as oppositionists marched in Ankara. These comments fueled debate on rule of law when Supreme Court filed a criminal complaint on Wednesday against Constitutional Court judges who ordered release of detained MP Can Adale last month. The top appeals court said the Constitutional Court's decision was unconstitutional, in a change that critics said highlighted the weak state of Turkey's legal system. Legal experts say it is difficult to predict next steps toward resolving the unprecedented divide between two courts. According to a text published by his office on Friday, Erdogan said to journalists upon his return from Uzbekistan, "Unfortunately, the Constitutional Court made many mistakes in a row at this point, and this seriously upset us." Turkey's Bar Association and main opposition party, CHP, condemned appeals court decision as a coup attempt and on Friday hundreds its members, most of them lawyers in legal robes, demonstrated on streets capital, chanting justice slogans. They walked more than 10 kilometers from Ankara Courthouse to Alatlibil district, where the Constitutional Court and Supreme Court are located side by side. Main opposition leader Özgür Özel said at March that the latest judicial crisis was Erdogan's attempt to overhaul constitutional order. Özel said, "The president, who derives his power from constitution, supports actions of Supreme Court that ignore constitution." Özel said, calling on Erdogan to protect the constitution. In a rare move, Supreme Court issued a statement conflict on Friday evening, accusing Constitutional Court of plunging legal system into chaos with its decisions individual applications. The Supreme Court is ready to provide necessary support to legal and constitutional studies in order eliminate the problems arising from implementation of individual applications, breaking the rule of law later. His statements at ceremony held in Ankara, Erdogan took a more moderate stance on crisis, saying that he did not side with any party dispute and took on role of arbitrator. Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan shakes hands with newly elected leader of Turkey's main opposition, Republican People's Party, Özgür Özel, while attending a ceremony commemorating the 85th death anniversary of Mustafa Kemal Ataturk in Ankara, Turkey. Murat, get the license. Erdogan also said that dispute between two high courts showed need for a new constitution, reflecting Parliament's long-standing position that it should consider issue next year. According to Istanbul-based political analyst Gareth Jenkins, the latest crisis has shown that Erdogan wants more control over Turkey's judicial system. That's why he changed the existing constitution in 2010 and 2017, and now he's talking about a completely new constitution. A tall